Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
AutoFilter is a useful tool that lets you quickly filter data tables. You must have a header row in your table for AutoFilter to function. When you create a table in Excel, Excel automatically adds AutoFilter dropdowns into each column within the header row. To toggle a table's AutoFilters on and off, select any cell in the table. Then click the Filter button in the Sort and Filter button group on the Data tab of the ribbon. When AutoFilter is enabled, if you click any drop-down arrows on the field headers, a drop-down list of that field's sorting and filtering options appears, followed by a listing of all the unique values in the field. To manually filter a table by the field's values, check the checkboxes within this list of values to only show the checked values in the table. If you check the Select All checkbox when all the other values are checked, it unchecks them all. This then lets you quickly check only the checkboxes for the values to show. Then click the OK button in the drop-down list of values to filter the table's records to show only table records with matching values for that field. All the other records are hidden, not deleted. You can tell when a filter is applied and to which field it is applied because when a filter is applied to a field, the drop-down arrow next to that field's header row label appears with a small funnel icon next to it. This icon lets you know a filter is applied. You can apply multiple kinds of filters using this tool. You may also apply more than one filter at a time to a table by using the various columns filters. After applying an AutoFilter to a field, you can remove it to show all the field's values again. To remove an individual field's AutoFilter, select the AutoFilter drop-down arrow for the currently applied field's filter. Then check the Select All checkbox in the drop-down menu's list of values, and click the OK button in the drop-down to show all the records hidden by the filter. Alternatively, to remove all sorting and filtering criteria from a table, click into a table cell. Then click the Clear button in the Sort and Filter button group on the Data tab of the ribbon. However, note that doing this also removes all field filtering and table sorting, if any is applied, from the table.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.